Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, provided by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst as well as the host of the Grokstar Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. Here's some trades we had late morning in the Grokstar Room on Thld, Threshold Pharmaceutical. Overnight they had received some approval from the FDA and had gapped up. This was a little bit later in the morning, in fact about 11:30 this is what we saw. Going back to 10:30, we had the high of the day set here at 905, and then it pulled back and it came back up to 905 again. This is what we call a double top. If you want to know more about what a double top is, you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our chart school, which is for free, and as a description of the double top as well as a picture of it right here, where you have an uptrend where it hits a major point of resistance once, twice, and starts to pull back. This is a bearish formation. So let's see what happened next. Pulled back from that 905, came up, tagged it again, and began to pull back. This is now a triple top, which is also bearish, and I went ahead and set an order, and I was filled at 904. I'm short 904. Yes, I was a little bit early on that, but the market was dropping and my indicators were down, so I went ahead with that. I was a little aggressive. It has now fallen below all of the moving averages, and right down here, now look, here's the 200 period moving average. Oh, and it pulled right away from it. So I took out half right here at 881 for 2.5%. Let's see what happened next. Came up here. Look at, now we've got this green one here is the 20 moving average, and the blue one here is the 50 moving average. Came right back and hit their head off of that. And I went ahead and got out here at $8.90 on my second half for 1.5%. This total trade was for 2%. Let's see what happened next. Came back up, only this time it didn't make it to the 905. Instead, it just made it to the 901. It started to pull back. So I went ahead and I went short right here at $8.98 short. Let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that. It fell right here again to the 200 period moving average, and it's stalling right there, and it looked like it would be bouncing, so I went ahead and I got out right here at $8.80 for 2% on this trade from here to here. I thought it was going to bounce, and I was prepared to go, and I went ahead and I went short again at $8.78. I'm now short. Bam, bam, bam. Here we go, down. Bam again. Came all the way down here to $8.53. Started to pull back up. I took out half at $8.58 for 2.2%. They came back up. Now it's at the 8 EMA. Going to see if that holds. It did hold, and boom, it dropped down again, and then it started to kick back up again, so I did take out the second half at $8.60 for 2%. So that total trade was for 2.1%. So between these three trades, we had a total of 6.1% in 55 minutes. It's now 12:30, and which is when I quit trading. But what's interesting is what happened after this. Watch. Again, this is 12:30 during the lunchtime doldrums, right? Boom. Boom. It dropped all the way to $8. That's a 7% drop from my short exit. Let's see what happened next then. Kicked all the way back up here to 840, which is where closing line was from the previous day. Let's see what happens. It pulled right back from that, And look, it dropped all the way back to $8. That's a 5% run up and a 5% run down to here. We now have a double bottom, which is bullish. Let's see what happened next. Boom, look at that. It came all the way up here to the 850, 849 area, which is right where the pivot line was at 849, and began to pull back. Again, this represents a 6% rise. So, knowing these chart patterns and trading them can make you a lot of money. These are what we're doing in the Grokstar Trading Room. You're welcome to join us. 30 days for free. Just come to the freeonlinetradingeducation.com chat room page, and down below is a place where you can sign up for your free trial. Just remember that in the market, anything can happen, so you need to be prepared both mentally, physically, and electronically. Have a good weekend.